So I'm going to demonstrate how you can do the easiest thing using 100 square. Actually, you don't need 100 square for this. You just need one line because the answer is less than 10. If you have one line, it's called a number line. So we start off with 5 and then we're going to add 3, 1, 2, 3, and you end on 8. So 5 add 3 equals 8. That's the easiest way to do that. The next sum to do is a takeaway, and I've chosen the number 12 on purpose because it's more than 10. And I know that sounds really simple, but a lot of children, they really struggle when they are counting back from numbers more than 10. So you circle 12 and then we have to count backwards and we have to jump back 5. So 1, and then you have to show the children how to go back. 2, 3, 4, 5, and you end up at 7. So there you go, 12 take away 5 equals 7. The next thing you can do with 100 square is odd and even numbers. So the question is 5 odd or even? Now how I like to do this is I like to colour in the whole box, okay, of all of the odd numbers, or you could do the even numbers like so, and you can do the whole line, or you can stop wherever you think you are, and then they just look at the ones they've coloured in. If they've coloured in, then that means it's odd, so 5 is odd. And the next one is, what is the next odd number after 7? As you can see, I've already highlighted the odd numbers. The child or student finds number 7, and the next odd number would be number 9. You can change it to what is the next even number after 7, or what is the next even number after 17, or try bigger numbers. So these activities are really adaptable. All you do is you keep the format of the questions the same, and you just change either a number or a word. The next one is adding 10 or taking away 10 using a number line, and there's no counting involved in this. So let's choose the number 15 and we circle it, and all you have to show. Now, the first time that the student does this, or your son or daughter does this, let them do this mentally. So get them to put 15 in their head and count on in 10 fingers, or count back in 10 fingers. Okay, so when they do that, then they'll end up with 25, 5. And then if you carry on adding 10, they will quickly see that they don't actually need to do any working out, because adding and taking away 10 is just always in the same column. Hope you can see that clearly. And then you can use this for larger sums as well, for older children. I do find that when I'm teaching maths, that when children are working sums out in their head, they really do struggle when they have to move up from tens. So sometimes they get stuck at what comes after 29 if they're counting mentally, what comes after 49. So having this number square close by really helps them if they start to forget, if they can't remember what comes after 49. So you can also use this to do your simple addition. So there's your 58, add on 9, so you move across 9 spaces and you'll end up with 67. Okay, and if you add on 9 again, you'll end up with 78. I quite like doing these patterns. You end up with that and you end up with that. So you can see the patterns in the 9s, and then you can also go the other way. Taking away 9 goes like so. And the next one is, what is the next odd number after 7? As you can see, I've already highlighted the odd numbers. The child or student finds number 7, and the next odd number would be number 9. You can change it to what is the next even number after 7, or what is the next even number after 17, or try bigger numbers. So these activities are really adaptable. All you do is you keep the format of the questions the same, and you just change either a number or a word.